Palm Desert homeowners, if you've been wondering whether now is the time to sell, listen closely, because the latest numbers are telling a very clear story and it could put more money in your pocket. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg, and this week's data shows a shift you need to know about. In fact, the current market is giving sellers a slight advantage, and it's starting to pick up momentum. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Palm Desert is $729,900. That's holding steady compared to last month, but here's the interesting part. Our market action index is sitting at 33, which means we're leaning toward a seller's market. Just last month, we were at that same number, but the difference now is inventory. We've dropped to 325 homes for sale, which means buyers have fewer choices and your property has a better chance to stand out. When we break it down further, the median price of new listings is $647,000, and homes are selling at an average of $357 per square foot. The average time a property stays on the market is 120 days, with a median of 98 days, but those well-priced, well-presented homes, they're moving much faster. Now here's what's happening on pricing strategy. About 36% of sellers have reduced their asking price, which tells us that correct pricing from the start is crucial if you want top dollar. Only 1% of listings have increased in price, so buyers are still very price conscious. We're also seeing 15% of listings coming back on the market, often because deals fall through, which means buyers are still being selective. What does this mean for you as a seller? With fewer homes available and demand staying steady, the pressure on prices could increase if this trend continues. That's why strategic marketing and expert positioning are so important right now. The median rent in Palm Desert is currently $4,000 per month, which also means more renters are considering buying instead, creating additional demand for available homes. So, if you're a Palm Desert homeowner thinking about selling, this is the kind of market where preparation and presentation can make a huge difference in your results. My job is to make sure your home not only gets seen, but gets remembered and sold for the best possible price in the shortest possible time. I'll bring you the most current market data every week, so you can make the smartest move for your future. If you'd like to know exactly what your home could sell for in today's market, contact me directly in the Palm Springs area at 760-636-3105. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving Palm Desert, Palm Springs, and the surrounding Coachella Valley. Let's make your next move the right one.